Okay, so this tutorial is going to show you some of the advanced features of Weebly and how to publish your Weebly when you're ready. So go ahead and log into Weebly and click on the site that you want to edit. You can click on Edit here. Notice that you have stats and some other things that you can do with your pages. You could even delete your site. So once you're in the edit mode, we're going to take a look at how to create links or add links and how to embed videos and other interactive content. So let's just take a quick look. Remember the design tab? You can change your design of your Weebly at any time by just clicking on a different design tab. And remember that each design tab also has some colors associated with it that you can change. We'll keep all your content in here and just change up your design. You can always add pages here, and you can add other editors so that other people can collaborate with you on your wiki. And under your edit your site changes, you can see that you have some different things here, even some mobile settings, and you could change your site address if you didn't like the one that you had there, change your password. You can protect your pages and make them so that they require a password for anybody to view them, especially for students, to keep students safe. Okay, so over here we have our basic elements. We took a look at dragging down paragraphs with a picture and multiple columns. The custom HTML is really a handy one, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this custom HTML block and drop it here. And what this is if you find an embed code on a site, then you can paste in the embed code. And here's where we're going to put it. So I'm going to quickly just go out here to YouTube and SchoolTube, TeacherTube. Most of these all have embed codes. And I'm going to find a video. And then I'm going to click on the sharing button so that I find an embed code on my video. So I click on share, and once that share comes up, you're going to see the embed here. And here's the embed code. You can see the different sizes that you're allowed. Now this, every 100 is about an inch. So this is about 5 inches across here. And if I wanted it to be smaller, I could say custom size. And I'm just going to type in 300 because I don't want it very big. That's about 3 inches by 1.5 inches. Here's my embed code. I'm going to copy that embed code and then go back to my Weebly website. And I'm going to click here to set my custom HTML. And I'm going to paste, Control V or Control C, or right click and paste, however I want to do that. And my custom embed code comes in here then, and my video is going to appear. And you can see, oh, it says my video player is too small. It doesn't like that small video player. So notice that I can edit it right here if I like. Or I could go back out to YouTube and try it again there. Let's try a 3:4 ratio on that. And now I bet my video player is going to work in my Weebly. So there we go. So I've got my embedded video. So anything with an embed code will work. I'll just show another one really quickly, and that's a Voki. These are some popular things. VoiceThread, WellWisher, they all have embed codes in them. So once I get my Voki created, I will find the embed code under Publish, and then I would be able to grab that embed code and put it into my my Weebly or my wiki. So let's take a look at a few of the other things that we can do. We can add a picture by itself. Again, we talked about the multiple columns. We can put a button down here. And once our button's on here, then we can set a link. So I'm going to set my button text, my button style first. Say I want a fat button. Okay, and then I can say click for my video, or my home page, or whatever it is that I want for Great Falls Public Schools page. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight that and put on the link. And then I would put in the link here. And it would be easier just to paste this in here. And I click save, and then there would be my link on my Weebly. So if I click on this, then after I publish, it will take me to that URL. When I am finished, let's just talk about a few other things. Under Multimedia, you can create a slideshow. It's really easy to do. If you pull this down, it's going to ask you what kind of a slideshow you want to create, how you want the look. Then you're going to upload your pictures from your computer, and voila, you have your slideshow. Under Multimedia, you also have a YouTube video. If you didn't want to do that embed code like I showed you, you can insert a Google map, a photo gallery. Under Revenue, you can create a product page. And underneath More, one of the really nice things, I think, is the contact form. So if you want people to be able to contact you, you can add this form in, and you can adjust whatever required elements you want in here. And then when people click submit, it will go to your email. So if you want other fields besides that, you'll notice up here that you can change the names of the fields, and you can make it required or not required if you want it large, if you want it to edit the text of that. And underneath advanced, you have some other things that you can mess with on your forms and add some of these as well. Once you are completely satisfied with your Weebly Wiki, I'm going to click Save here. When you are completely done with this, you want to click this Publish button. We already talked about the domain. If you want to register a domain name, these are going to cost you money. I would just go with the one that says .weebly.com if you're looking for something free. You click Continue, and it will publish. This may take a little while. It's showing you what your link is here, and when you open up your link, this is what it's going to look like for the outside world when they go to your URL .weebly.com. So here we go. Here is my lovely Weebly, what it looks like so far as I scroll down. Let's check out my click for my video and make sure that it brings up the link. It does, to the link that I had put in there. And the submit button, I needed to correct the highlighted fields, but I could test it to make sure that that this will actually come into my email address, that my videos work, etc. So that's how easy it is to use Weebly, and you should be able to get all your wildflowers put up here in an intriguing and pleasing manner.